Are you interested in how to take long screenshot on your Xiaomi POCO M4? Today on Hard Reset Info channel I will show you how to do it. In the first step, to take a long screenshot, we must open application which support it, maybe setting. And now we press volume down and power case together in the same time as to make normal screenshot. There we can, now we must click scroll and scroll to add more information to our screenshot. And after we add all information we want to see on our screenshot, we click done. And we have our long screenshot which we can custom right now or save in our gallery. Click there and we have it on our gallery. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.